Hello, good morning, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are very good, fit and fine. Today we are going to continue portion of this our Akbar and Birbal story. The name of the story is Make It Shorter. This story we have already completed. In this story we're talking about the one line, and that one line we have to make to shorter without touch that line and without erasing that line. But the Birbal is a very intelligent person, so say he did not touch the any of line, and directly they make a new one line in undergo of that line, and that is a bigger of that first line that drew by that king. So the first line is now shorter. So in this way the Birbal that accept the challenge, and he did that challenge and complete their challenge. Okay, so now we are going to solve this questions answer of this Birbal and Akbar story that make it shorter. So this is the new words that we already did in our notebook. Now we are going to solve this questions answers here. Reading is fun. Okay, so what did Akbar order one day? So we can say that now the one day Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered that to make the line shorter without touching it. I will send a PDF file and also attach a one file here, so you can write answer from here only. Okay, now second one, what did each minister do? So we can say that each minister look at the line and what they do, look at the line, and it was like a puzzle. Okay, now third one, how did Birbal make the line shorter? So Birbal drew a longer line by the side of the first line. Okay, so in this way they making the first line shorter. Okay, so this is the first three questions. I will sending you attach a one file here. Wait, here is the attaching file. You if you want to write an answer, so you can write from here. What did Akbar order one day? One day Akbar drew a line on the floor and ordered that to make the line shorter without erasing it. Okay, or without touching it. And now second one, what did each minister do? So each minister look at the line, and it was like a puzzle. Puzzle means that is a confusion part which cannot be understood easily. That is a puzzle part. Okay, now how did Birbal make the line shorter? So we can say that the Birbal drew a longer line by the side of the first line, make it shorter. In this way the Birbal accept the challenge and complete that challenge. Okay, now say aloud. So which letters cannot be heard when we say these words? So here we can say that short and shorter. So here the H is silent, so we can say that we cannot heard the word we cannot heard the letter like H. Now bright and brighter. Bright का means क्या होता है? That lighting. Okay, so here when we recite this pronounce this word bright, so in that G is a silent. Okay, now third one, dark में जो बहुत ही blackish part होता है. Right, so here when we recite to pronounce this word dark and darker, here R is a silent word. Now silent letter. And now light and lighter. Light means जो चारों तरफ lights होती है ना, that प्रकाश time, sunlight time, so that is a light. And we can say that J is silent in the lighter and lighter. Now big and bigger. Here there is no any letter will be any letter will be, we can say that this letter we cannot be silent word. Here all the word we can use here in the pronunciations: big, bigger, fast and faster. There is no word as silent here. Only the first four words, that H, G, R, G, that is the silent word in that words. Okay, now next page number 114. In this page number 10 time, discuss with your partner and draw pictures to show the following. Okay, so now the ball on the left side is bigger than the one on the right side. So यहाँ पे हमें दो बॉक्स दिए गए. In these two box we have to draw a bigger one, and on left hand side we have to draw a one bigger ball टू अ राइट हैंड साइड. तो हमें क्या करना है, दो बॉक्स के अंदर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में बड़ा बॉल बनाना है, और जो राइट हैंड साइड है वहाँ पे छोटा सा बॉल बनाना है. ठीक है, सो इन दिस वे यू कैन ड्रॉ फ्रॉम दिस फाइल. नाउ इन सेकंड पिक्चर, रीटा इज शॉर्टर देन राधा. तो हमें ऐसा पिक्चर बनाना है कि जो रीटा है वो शॉर्टर मतलब छोटी होनी चाहिए, और राधा वो की बड़ी होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, सो रीटा इज शॉर्टर देन राधा मतलब रीटा छोटी रहेगी और राधा बड़ी रहेगी. ठीक है, नाउ रघुस बास्केट इज हैवियर देन रतन्स. ओके, सो रघु का बास्केट हैवी मतलब वजन उसका ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. तो हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों बास्केट ड्रॉ सेम बनाएंगे, बट एक में फ्रूट ज़्यादा रख देंगे रघु के अंदर. सो रघु का बास्केट वहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, हैवियर हो जाएगा देन रतन. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ वन, रजत इज टॉलर देन राज. सो रजत इज टॉलर मतलब रजत की हाइट ज़्यादा बड़ी है किससे, राज से। सो रजत को हमें लंबा दिखाना है और राज को हमें शॉर्ट दिखाना है। ओके, सो हियर दिस इज द सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ दिस मेक इट शॉर्टर स्टोरी. Now we are going to ending here. In next session we will meet and talking about some further information related to a picture story, the mouse and the pencil. So till then, bye bye, take care.